Hey there! It's me, your friend in this English journey. Imagine this, you're standing in front of a crowd. Your heart is racing. Your hands are shaking. And the words, they just won't come out. Does that sound familiar? I bet it does. Because today, we're talking about something we all face, the fear of speaking in public. And trust me, I've been there too. Let's dive in together. You know, when I first started learning English, I felt so small. I understood the words in books and movies, but opening my mouth in front of others? That was terrifying. My mind would go blank. I'd worry about mistakes. What if they laugh? What if I sound stupid? I know how it feels for you right now. That knot in your stomach. That voice in your head saying, you're not good enough. It's painful, isn't it? And it's not just about English. This fear stops us from sharing ideas, making friends, or even chasing dreams. For English learners like you, it's extra hard. You already fight with new sounds and grammar. Add a crowd? It feels like climbing a mountain with no rope. But here's the truth. You're not alone. Millions feel this way. And the good news? It's normal. It's human. And it can change. Okay, let's turn this around. I have 3 simple tips for you. Not rules from a book, but real ideas from life. Think of them like keys to unlock your voice. First tip, start small, like a seed growing into a tree. Remember my story? I began by talking to my mirror. Just me, alone in my room. Hello, my name is. Pause. Try again. No judgment. No eyes watching. It felt silly at first. But day by day, my words got stronger. You can do this too. Pick a quiet spot. Speak about your day. Record it on your phone. Listen back. Smile at your progress. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it bloom. Small steps build big confidence. Second tip, breathe and let the fear be your friend. Sounds strange? Let me explain with an analogy. Imagine fear as a wild horse. If you fight it, it runs wild. But if you calm it, guide it, it carries you forward. When I had my first public talk, my knees shook. But I stopped. Took a deep breath. In. Out. I told myself, this fear means I care. It's okay. And suddenly, it wasn't the enemy. It was energy. Try it next time. Before speaking, close your eyes. Breathe deep. Say, I feel scared, and that's fine. Turn that horse into your ride. You'll feel the power shift. Third tip, practice with kindness, like chatting with an old friend. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for connection. Think of a butterfly. It starts as a caterpillar, messy and slow, but it transforms by trying. I once joined a small English club. We shared stories, laughed at slips. No one judged. It was like family. You can find that too. Talk to a friend. Join an online group. Share one thought. I like this movie because. If you stumble, say, oops, let me try again. Be kind to yourself. Like that butterfly, you'll spread your wings. There you have it, seeds, horses, butterflies. Simple ways to face the fear. Now, as we wrap up, listen close. You are brave. You are learning a whole new world of words. That fear? It's just a sign you're growing. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. Next time you speak, remember my voice, you've got this. Go out there. Share your story. The world needs your voice. Until next time, keep shining.